Why are computer viruses called Trojans? The answer might surprise you. Stay tuned and watch the full video to find out how ancient history and modern technology are connected in a clever and dangerous way. The Trojan War is one of the most famous events in ancient Greek mythology, believed to have taken place around 1200 BCE. It all started when Paris, the Prince of Troy, took Helen, the wife of Menelaus, king of Sparta. This act triggered one of the greatest wars in history. The war lasted for 10 long years, with the Greeks laying siege to the city of Troy. The Greeks, led by kings like Agamemnon, Odysseus, and Achilles, battled against the Trojans, led by King Priam and his sons, including the great warrior Hector. One of the most famous moments of the Trojan War is the duel between Achilles and Hector. Hector was killed by Achilles, but the war continued to rage on despite this major loss for the Trojans. The city of Troy itself, though the focus of this massive conflict, was heavily fortified. It had enormous walls that were said to be impenetrable, making it a near impossible target for the Greeks to conquer through brute force. After 10 years of fighting, the Greeks came up with one of the most clever and deceptive military strategies in history, the Trojan horse. This brilliant ruse allowed them to breach the walls of Troy without raising suspicion. The idea for the wooden horse came from Odysseus, known for his cunning. The Greeks built a huge wooden horse and left it outside the gates of Troy, pretending to retreat and sail back to Greece. The Trojans, thinking the war was over, brought the horse inside their city as a trophy of victory. The horse was not just any gift, it was an offering to the goddess Athena, which made the Trojans think it was a symbol of peace. However, inside the horse, a group of elite Greek soldiers was hiding, waiting for the right moment to strike. At night, when the Trojans were asleep and celebrating their supposed victory, the Greek soldiers emerged from the horse. They opened the gates of the city, allowing the rest of the Greek army to enter Troy. They launched a surprise attack. This clever trick led to the fall of Troy, one of the most important moments in ancient mythology. The city was sacked, and many of its people, including King Priam, were killed. Helen was returned to Sparta with Menelaus, ending the war. The Trojan War's story has been immortalized by the ancient Greek poet Homer in two of the greatest epic poems ever written, the Iliad and the Odyssey. The Iliad focuses on the final year of the war, while the Odyssey follows the journey of Odysseus as he tries to return home after the fall of Troy. The ancient city of Troy, located in modern-day Turkey, has been excavated. Some historians believe that there may have been a real conflict that inspired the myth. The Trojan horse itself, despite being one of the most iconic symbols of trickery, may have never existed. Some historians suggest that the horse was a metaphor for a siege engine or battering ram used by the Greeks to break into Troy. The ancient Greeks believed that the gods controlled the fates of both mortals and heroes. The idea of the Trojan horse has become a powerful symbol of deception in modern culture. It has even inspired the term Trojan horse in the world of cybersecurity, referring to malicious software that is disguised as something harmless. The legacy of the Trojan War extends far beyond the ancient world. The story has been retold in countless plays, films, books, and even operas. It continues to capture the imagination of people worldwide as a tale of love, betrayal, and cunning strategy. So, the next time you hear about the Trojan horse, remember that it represents one of the most famous military tricks in history. It has shaped how we understand war and strategy today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.